Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your own custom drum sequence pie. So as you may already know, this pie is the angles where you flick the pen to, and then depending on the angle you flick the pen to, the drum sets or the drum sequence in that angle will be played. So there are 8 different locations where you can flick your pen to, and you can allocate drums into that location by clicking the drum you want, then dragging it into that angle. Click another one, drag to another angle, click another one, drag it into that angle. I'm going to add one more angle for this tutorial. So I'm going to stop the sound. Okay. So now when you flick the pen to this angle, this sound or this drum sequence in this angle will play. And when you flick the pen to this angle, this drum sequence will play there. So if I want to create my own drum sequence, how do I do that? It's pretty simple. Just click the plus button. And now you have this drum pad where you can create your own custom drum sequence, and everything is customizable here. That's really the cool part. Everything is customizable. So I'm going to play this. Let's see how it sounds. I'm gonna add a little more finesse to it. Yeah, that's pretty good. So now I'm going to customize the beats per minute. I'm going to reduce it to 100. Yeah. Or I can even increase it further. Yeah. Okay. Now save that. You can also customize each of the drums. See that? You can customize the left and right speakers, how you want the sound to, play towards each ear. This is called stereo. So there are all these customization options you can play with. Yeah, that's pretty good. Alright, I love this now. It's perfect. So I am going to save it, and I'm going to rename it to name best. I'm going to call it best, as in best drum. Okay, save. So now I'll drag this into this location. Now here's another thing you can do with this app. You can create a finesse of this one. Let's say you want to modify this, but you don't want to actually make the changes to this one. You can create a new one from this particular drum sequence by clicking create new from this. So now you can create a new one by modifying the already existing one without affecting the original file. Press play. See that? So now I'll press save. So now I have a finesse of my best drum set. I'm going to add it in this angle. Oh, I forgot to rename it. I'm going to rename it to rename best B. I'll save it. Okay, now I have best B in that angle. Okay. Next, I will show you how to delete. So if you want to delete, press and hold, click delete. If you want to modify an existing drum sequence, press and hold, and then click edit. Make changes, press save. See that? Now I'm going to go in details and show you some other things in the drum pad that I didn't talk about before, which is this button right here. This button is basically a randomized button. When you click it, the drum pad generates a random pads that you can actually play with. So let's try it. That's pretty good. I'm actually going to take a screenshot of this. It's really good. Okay. So then the other thing is this one. This basically clears the drum pad. And then I've already shown you about the save button. So save. So that's it for how to create a drum sequence. Now, sometimes when you come back to this screen, the sound may not be working. So what you do in that case is you click the refresh button. That's this one over here. When you click this, it will restart the screen and the sound will start working again. See that? So when you have everything set up, you name the pad what you want and you press save. And when you want to modify it, you long press the pi and click edit. You can also make changes to individual drum sequences from here. You can click this, remove drums, it's gone. Long press, edit drum, and it takes you to the drum pad. And that's it. Have fun.